Okay, this is my review of the Amazon Basics. I think that's what they're called, like cooking set. As you can see, I've had this pan for a while, so it's starting to chip a little, but I really like this set a lot. I think there might be one more piece, but as I've said, I've had it a while, so I can't remember where it is. But this is, obviously the frying pan. I use this one the most. And I really also enjoy these. There's like two different sizes of this. I don't even know what you call these. These are like pots or something. But both of them came with a top. The other top is somewhere. I need to go find it. But I use these actually, more for like cooking spaghetti or rice. Super good for rice. I used to have a rice cooker and I thought, well, isn't this this basically looks like a rice cooker without, the handle, So I was like, I'm just going to try to cook my rice in there like the way I used to cook it in a rice cooker. Comes out fine. It is a little messy because it sometimes if I don't catch it in time, it'll like leak over the edge, but not a big deal, seeing how I don't have to buy a new rice cooker or anything. But I really like this, the look of this set. It's a little wet because I just washed them, but I really like the way it looks. It has like a sleek, high quality look to it. I really like just, pretty much everything about these. They're the standard basic cooking set that works very well. I'm not like a super fancy cook. I know how to cook the basics, and so these really fulfill my needs, and I highly recommend.